Morning, guys. Today is first day out to Leavenworth. What's up, guys? We finally made it out after a 2-ish hour drive. We're out in Leavenworth, this like cute Bavarian town. There's snow up in the mountains. Oh ho! Introduce Bo to the vlog.
Welcome to Slow BRZ. Back again with another vlog.
I'm back at it with another vlog. Alright, so we finally made it out. Like I said, we're actually checking out the town. Actually, it's almost sunset, and then we're checking out the town's little center plaza where all the trees are kind of like wrapped around in Christmas lights. And it's very, very Christmassy here, trying to get us into the spirit of the holidays, you know, considering Christmas is like a couple days away, and by the time you're watching this vlog, it's probably already Christmas. There's definitely a lot of that Bavarian, Germany style of beer, food, such and such, so I kind of want to check that out, hit some stores with some cool knickknacks. Yeah, we took the truck up and the truck is like frosted over. Like, this is all frost, which is insane. You guys see carefully, there's all that snow up in the mountains. It's been about 10 minutes already and we still have not gone to the center because Blake's trying to find the bathrooms. Aww. I just realized I haven't made a proper intro. What's up, guys? It's your boy Slow BRZ. We're out here in Leavenworth. We're checking that town out right now. It's a cute little Bavarian town. There's a main plaza area in the center with a bunch of lights and Christmas trees and hopefully some snow. But yeah, we're here to check it out for a couple of hours. Drove a couple of hours out just to stay a couple of hours and drive a couple of hours back.
The big fat pack on his back, and lots of goodies for you and for me. Sunny the Bavarian-style, for old Saint Nick, hanging on the Christmas tree. It's the holiday season, so do and dickory dock, and don't forget to hang up your sock, 'cause just exactly like if it coming down the chimney. Sleep in heaven.
So, fun fact about this town that I didn't know about, that I heard, that every Christmas year this place gets like decked out in lights, which is cool. They have horse carriages walking around to, you know, kind of transport people from destination A to destination B. And here we are, right in front of the Nutcracker Museum. We're gonna go check this out.
Oh, it looks like Mr.
A little bit. There's so much good food and drinks here. And then, oh my god. Wait, I gotta take a look at this. We'll hike this into some of the back lakes, lay across water, up against a rock face, it echoes back. Ah, yes, the only untraditional store in this entire town is the boba shop. Yes, the boba shop. This town is so cute. I love it, guys. It's amazing here.
Look at this cute like walk up.
Oh yeah, there's a cute like walk-up coffee right here, barista area.
A red. I don't mean on the full Santa honey. Come on and hurry down my chimney tonight.
hot roasted chestnuts. Nice. What did he say? Oh, I got some hot chocolate. Hot chocolate. Hot chocolate.
Fattening time. It's the milk loosening time. It's the most fattening time of the year. A star dancing in the night with the tail as big as a car.
What? You wanna get up there?
Said the shepherd boy.
Oh, it's Yeti, Daddy.
So we just got done checking out the Kris Kringle shop. It was really cool. Lots of cool ornaments and nutcrackers. And we also did take a look at the Nutcracker Museum too. I snuck some footage in there, so, but yeah. What closes at 6? Oh, okay, then let's go now. It's this way, yeah.
Yeah, you don't know?
So now we're getting pastries from this Danish bakery. Yeah. Oh.
What?
This is Space Rabbit.
All right, so I'm picking the camera back up. We're at this German place for food. I'm getting some grub.
Big beers.
You got shashai,
What?
Hungarian gulyas. You got bratwurst, Das Haus.
Sorry. You got schnitzel.
I am pronouncing everything here poorly, so sorry for my pronunciation. Cheers.
Shatters.
We just finished dinner and we just hopped out of the restaurant and it started snowing all of a sudden. So now it's snowing. It's snowing. Yeah. Oh yeah, let's hit the slopes. Yeah, it's snowing. Yeah, it's snowing. It's literally snowing, guys. Okay, and then we have to make our way back to Seattle area, but we have to go through Snoqualmie Pass. Apparently, there's a weather advisory saying that there's going to be a lot of snow coming down. The winds are going to be like 10 miles an hour. Oh my god! But honestly, we'll have no problem coming back. You know, Forerunner life.
Get home. We're fucked.
Yeah, we're stuck here. Fuck.
I'm slipping. Oh my god, it's so dangerous. Oh my god.
Today was a long day, guys. We finally made it back home to Kirkland. It was a long haul. And I'm gonna throw in some pictures and clips because on our drive back, we were driving through kind of a blizzard. There was snow everywhere. We were driving like 30 miles an hour. I had to put the car in 4x4, but it was amazing. Hi, Indy. Indy. There's Indy. Hi there. mean, if she did, we would have smelt it. So Indy's been doing this thing where she would pee on the couch throughout the day when we leave her for long periods of time. Today was exceptionally long. We had a long drive. We left around like 11, and then Blake and Caroline came with us. Then by the time we got back, we decided to stay, play some Nintendo Wii, had some fun. It was Caroline's birthday at midnight tonight, and that was it. It's gonna be a short vlog. I hope you guys don't mind that, but more vlogs will come because I'm gonna be hitting up some new places over time, possibly hitting up Leavenworth again for another trip, so I'll be vlogging that and getting more content. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one.